In this video, we're going to show you how to use COVID's simple fiber optic products to easily and quickly terminate fiber optic cables. COVID carries everything you need to do these fiber optic terminations, and that's simple fiber optics taking the complication out of self-terminating fiber. Step number 1, unscrew boot from rear of connector. Then slide onto the cable jacket. Step number 2, using strippers, remove approximately 2 inches of cable jacket. Step number 3, place onto visual fault locator. Ensure activator slide tab is in open position, slide towards rear of connector. Open hinge on connector. Step number 4, pull Kevlar yarns back to locate fiber. Using only your fingertips and nails, gently remove coating to within 1/2 inch of cable jacket. Step number 5, cleave fiber 24 millimeters from cable jacket. Step number 6, insert fiber into the rear of connector until a slight bow is created and the light emitting from the connector window dims or is extinguished. Step number 7, slide activator tab towards connector tip. Remove from VFL. Ensure fiber is straight. Hold Kevlar to one side. Close hinge. Step number 8, slide boot forward and thread 1 full turn to lock in Kevlar strands. Cut Kevlar close to boot. Tighten boot until secure. And that's it. It's that easy. You've just terminated your own fiber cable. You can find these products and others at www.covid.com.